Dear students, আজি আমি অহমৰ বিষয়ে 11টা কোৱেশ্চন আলোচনা কৰিম জিকে এইবিলাক বিভিন্ন কম্পিটিটিভ পৰীক্ষাৰ কাৰণে প্ৰয়োজন তোমালোক সকলোৱে চাবা যদি কোনো ইংলিশ কোৱেশ্চনৰ আনসাৰটো তোমালোকে নোৱাৰা তেতিয়ালে প্ৰশ্নটো লিখি কমেন্ট কৰিবা মই তাৰ উত্তৰ দিয়াৰ ব্যৱস্থা কৰিম প্ৰশ্নটো লিখি কমেন্ট কৰিলে মই হেতু অহমিয়াত অনুবাদ কৰি দিম তোমালোকে সকলোৱে ভালকে চাই লব পাৰিবা In which year the capital of Assam shifted from Shillong to Dispur? Your right answer to hobo option D. The Assam Sahitya Sabha was first founded in the year. Option C is the correct answer. The first conference of Assam Sahitya Sabha was held at. Option B, correct answer. Who was the first president of Assam Sahitya Sabha? Option B, correct answer. Total number of national parks in Assam? Option C, correct answer. Total number of bridges over the river Brahmaputra? Option C, correct answer. The Naranarayana Setu connects the Pancharatna town with which city? Option D, correct answer. Who was the first Chief Minister of Assam? Option C, correct answer. Srimanta Shankardeva was born in the year. Option C, correct answer. The first Assamese film Joymoti was released in the year. Option B, correct answer. The Obhiruchi Sports Day is celebrated on. Option D, correct answer. Bhogeshwar Borua wins a medal in the Dash Asian Games. Option B, correct answer. Who was the last king of Ahom Kingdom in Assam? Option C, correct answer. The Treaty of Yandabu was signed in the year. Option B, correct answer. Which one is the first Assamese novel? Option C, correct answer. The state anthem O Mor Apunar Desh was first published in the magazine named. Option A, correct answer. The first Assamese magazine Orunodoy was published in the year. Option B is the correct answer. The first Assamese to compile a dictionary named Hamkush is. Option D is the correct answer. Who is the first Assamese to receive Gyanpith Award? Option B, correct answer. Huensang visited Assam during the reign of. Option C, correct answer. In which year Sukafa established Ahom Kingdom in Soraideu? Option A, correct answer. The War of Saraighat was fought between Ahom and Mughal in the year. Option D, correct answer. Mahatma Gandhi first visited Assam in the year. Option D, correct answer. The first book to win Sahitya Academy Award is. Bonful. Option B, correct answer. Who is the first barrister of Assam? Option C, correct answer. Which one is the largest district in Assam by area wise? Option B is the correct answer. In which district Gorompani Wildlife Sanctuary is located? Option C, correct answer. In which year National Games was held in Assam? Option D is the correct answer. Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary is located at? Option D is the correct answer. The Guwahati Tea Auction Center was established in the year? Option A is the correct answer. Which town is also known as the Manchester of? Option B is the correct answer. Shualkusi. The Brahmaputra Cracker and Polymer Limited Industry is located at? Option C. Which city of Assam has the largest dry fish market of Asia? Option B is the correct answer. Guwahati University was established in the year? Option C is the correct answer. Who was the first Vice Chancellor of Guwahati University? Option A is the correct answer. Total number of parliamentary constituency in Assam? Option C is the correct answer. Lakshminath Bezbarua is honored with Rasaraj by Assam Sahitya Sabha in the year? Option D is the correct answer. এনেকৈ তোমালোকক সকলোখিনি প্ৰশ্ন দিয়া আছে ভিডিঅ'টো তোমালোকে চাবা আৰু মই কৈ দিছো আপোনালোকৰ যি সকলে বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সাম দিব অসম চৰকাৰৰ যিবিলাক গভ জব আছে ৰিক্ৰুটমেন্ট আছে এই সকলোবিলাকত ইয়াৰ পৰা বহুত কোৱেশ্চন কমন পৰে গতিকে এই জিকেৰ কোৱেশ্চন আনসাৰখিনি আপোনালোক সকলোৱে ভালকৈ চাব বাকি ভিডিঅ'টো চাই গৈ থাকক যিমান পাৰে শেয়াৰ কৰিব ধন্যবাদ